Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Goan caramel custard. This classic dessert is a staple at many celebrations, known for its rich and luxurious taste. To begin, let's gather our simple yet essential ingredients. You will need 3 egg yolks, 45 grams of sugar, and 275 milliliters each of full-fat milk and cream. Don't forget a tablespoon of sugar for caramelizing, plus a pinch of nutmeg, cinnamon, and Goan rock salt to infuse deep flavor. For the caramel layer, have 110 grams of sugar and a squeeze of lime juice ready. Now let's start crafting the smooth custard base. First, whisk 3 egg yolks with 45 grams of sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick, forming a smooth foundation. In a separate saucepan, caramelize 1 tablespoon of sugar over medium heat until it reaches a light golden color. Carefully pour in 275 milliliters of milk, scalding it gently with nutmeg, cinnamon, and a pinch of Goan rock salt for infused flavor. Slowly stream this hot milk into your egg and sugar mixture, whisking continuously to prevent any curdling. Finally, stir in 275 milliliters of cream to finish your rich custard base. Next, we create the signature caramel layer and prepare for baking. In a clean, dry saucepan, melt 110 grams of sugar with a squeeze of lime juice over low heat until it reaches a deep mahogany color. This lime juice helps prevent crystallization and adds brightness. Quickly pour the hot caramel into your chosen ramekins or mold, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Once set, gently pour your prepared custard mixture over the hardened caramel. Place these ramekins into a deep baking dish, adding hot water halfway up their sides for a gentle water bath. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. After baking, carefully remove your Goan caramel custard from the water bath and allow it to cool completely at room temperature. For the best texture and to allow the caramel to meld into a beautiful sauce, cover and chill the custard in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. When ready to serve, gently run a knife around the edges of the mold to loosen it. Then, invert the custard onto a serving plate. This classic Goan dessert is best enjoyed chilled, offering a silky smooth and utterly delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.